of the Earth's atmosphere. Earth is the only planet in the solar system that has atmosphere to support life. Take a look over this pie chart. The main constituents of air are nitrogen, oxygen, argon, carbon dioxide, and traces of other gases. Let's discuss the properties of these gases one by one. Nitrogen makes up 78% of the volume of the air. It is needed for survival by plants in the fixed form. So, bacteria found in the soil fixes the nitrogen, which is then used by the plants. Nitrogen moves between atmosphere, biosphere, and geosphere in different forms in a process called nitrogen cycle. Oxygen makes up 21% volume of air. All living beings inhale oxygen for their survival. Green plants produce oxygen during photosynthesis. Cutting down trees disturbs the oxygen balance in the atmosphere. Carbon dioxide forms about 0.03% volume of air. It is used by the green plants to make their food. It is exhaled by living beings. Carbon dioxide has the unique property of absorbing infrared radiations coming from the sun, resulting in the heating of the Earth's surface. This is called greenhouse effect. So, carbon dioxide is known as the greenhouse gas. Other greenhouse gases are water vapor, nitrous oxide, and methane. Do you know, lot of carbon dioxide is emitted by vehicles and industries into the atmosphere. In fact, burning of fuels also disturbs the carbon dioxide balance in the atmosphere. Can you think what will happen if carbon dioxide level becomes too high? Well, it will cause global warming. Global warming is the rise in the Earth's average temperature. Global warming has many consequences like melting of ice caps and glaciers, causing sea level to rise and flooding the low-lying areas. This can destroy the livelihood of humans and the natural habitat of the animals. Moreover, it can affect the world's weather and climate.
Layers of atmosphere. The atmosphere always protects us from the cold and lifeless space. It is a complex mixture of gases like nitrogen, oxygen, and carbon dioxide. It is made up of 4 key layers. The lowest layer of the atmosphere is called the troposphere. It is only about 10 kilometers thick. Life is supported in troposphere. Oxygen, which is crucial for life on Earth, is found in the troposphere. Approaching 13 kilometers, an invisible boundary in the atmosphere is crossed where the troposphere becomes the stratosphere. This layer contains ozone gas, which protects the Earth from the sun's harmful ultraviolet radiations by partly absorbing them. At the height of about 50 kilometers, the stratosphere becomes the mesosphere. It's this layer that protects us from the meteors. When the meteor enters the mesosphere, it compresses the air in front of it. Most of the meteors burn out. From the Earth, they look like shooting stars. At around 85 kilometers, there is the fourth layer known as thermosphere. Temperature in this layer shoots up to 1000 degrees. The atmosphere is so thin here that according to the scientists, the space starts beyond 100 kilometers. All four atmospheric layers are crucial on the planet. Compared to the size of the Earth, with a diameter of approximately 12,600 kilometers, the combined thickness of these atmospheric layers is nearly negligible. The volume of the atmosphere is just 5% of the Earth. However, the atmosphere plays an important role in preserving life on the planet, and without it, our Earth would be just another barren planet. For all life forms, the troposphere is the most crucial layer of all. In fact, approximately 80% of the total mass of the atmosphere is concentrated in the troposphere. It is extremely thin, but affects our daily life. It contains the air we breathe. Due to global warming, the temperature of this atmospheric layer is increasing, and is one of the reasons that we are experiencing extreme weather conditions. So, to keep this vital air intact for our survival, it is necessary to maintain a balance.